How to choose your electric skateboard wheels. Electric skateboard wheels play a crucial role in determining the performance and experience of riders across various styles of skateboarding and how they cater to different riding needs. Let's delve into the science behind skateboard wheels. Street skating involves navigating pavements and performing tricks on urban landscapes. To excel in this style, riders typically opt for smaller wheels, ranging from 85mm to 96mm in diameter. These wheels, often round, offer a perfect balance of grip and stability for executing precise tricks on rough surfaces. Park and ramp skating focuses on speed, flow, and technical manoeuvres in skate park environments. Riders in this style benefit from slightly larger wheels, typically sized between 85mm to 96mm. Wheels with a hardness rating of 97 to 101 are favored for their ability to maintain momentum and support high-speed tricks on ramps and transitions. Cruising entails relaxed long-distance skateboarding, where comfort and smooth rides are prioritized. For cruising, riders opt for softer urethane wheels with a larger diameter of 105mm to 120mm. These wheels provide enhanced shock absorption and ensure a comfortable ride over various terrains, making long-distance travel more enjoyable. Longboard wheels. Longboard wheels are versatile options for various styles, including downhill racing, cruising, and freestyle skateboarding. By selecting wheels with appropriate hardness levels, riders can adapt to different surfaces and terrains, ensuring optimal performance and maneuverability. Off-road wheels. Off-road wheels are specifically tailored for rough terrains and outdoor adventures. These wheels feature larger diameters, generous contact patches, and lower durameter hardness, providing excellent traction on dirt, mud, and uneven surfaces. Ideal for off-road trails, parks, and adventurous skateboarding endeavors. When selecting skateboard wheels, consider the style of riding. For street style, opt for hard wheels 95A+ to prioritize speed, durability, and slidability. For cruising, choose large, soft wheels 78878 to ensure a smooth and pleasant ride. For downhill skateboarding, select wheels with a durameter of 99A+ to achieve high-speed stability. And for freestyle slides, use tiny, hard wheels 93A+ for technical maneuverability. Additionally, consider the size of the wheels, where larger wheels 165mm+ offer more speed and stability. Medium-sized wheels 105mm to 120mm balance speed and maneuverability, and smaller wheels 86mm to 96mm are best suited for freestyle and technical maneuvers. Take into account the durameter hardness, as softer wheels 7887A are suitable for cruising and difficult terrains, while harder wheels 93A+ are faster and perform better for downhill rides and challenging maneuvers. Finally, choose bigger, softer wheels with dynamic tread patterns for challenging terrain. Experiment to find the ideal size, durameter, and form that suit your preferences, and maintain your wheels by keeping them clean and rotated regularly to maximize their performance. Now that's all for today. I hope you know how to choose your ideal electric skateboard wheels now. Stay awesome with Veymax and like and subscribe to us for more electric skateboard content. Thank you for watching. See you next time.